Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today Eva is going to celebrate the fact that the new Frozen movie will be in the cinemas next week. So for this lovely occasion she decided to create a Princess Anna for us today. So if you want to see how she created this, please keep watching because we will show you step by step in this video. So before she started filming, Eva put in her black sclera lenses, and that is because she wants to create those big doll eyes for her Anna makeup today, and the sclera lenses in black are the most fitting with this makeup. So this palette is the 6-color skin tone palette by Diamond FX, and Eva used the very light skin tone to create a new skin tone for herself. And to recreate the shape of her face, she is using the darkest brown color to contour her skin a bit, or the shape of her face that is. And to intensify that shadow, she puts a bit of the Starblend Ebony over it. Then it's time to create those massive eyes. And the first thing Eva does is the white of the eyes, which is done with the Diamond FX Essential White Face Paint. So it's the same on both sides of the face, of course, but I will just show you one side in this video. So once the white is on there, it's time for the blue. Anna has blue eyes, and that is the iris, of course. So once the light blue is on there, Eva continues with a darker blue color. This is to create all those little stripes we have in our irises, and it makes it more realistic to look at than when it would be just one color of blue. So finally on to black. This one is also by Diamond FX to create the pupil of the eye. So the sclera lens helps with this effect, and don't forget to color the waterline black as well to make the illusion complete. Back to the Starblend, light shadow under the newly created eye will help the illusion of the eye being real. So once this is on there, it's also time to put a bit of those shadows on the upper eyelid, and a bit of black for the pupil on the upper eyelid as well, and the blue to create a complete iris, of course. On to a lovely benign eyeshadow palette, because Anna does wear some eyeshadows, and Eva has selected the greens from this palette to create those shadows with. A white just above her natural eyebrow. You will see in a bit why she puts that white there. But before we continue to that, it is time to put in some lashes, which is done with Diamond FX Face Paint in black. These are the lower eyelashes, but we will obviously also need some upper eyelashes. Back to that Diamond FX palette, the brown color in there is to create the eyebrow with. Two eyebrows, of course, and the same color used to create some freckles, because Anna has some freckles. So before Eva will put on any more freckles, here are some highlights with the white from the Benai palette, just to create a bit more of that Anna face shape. Pink for the blush, of course, just smudge it on. And then we can continue with the freckles. Pink, light pink, baby pink by Diamond FX for the lips. And as Anna's lips are just slightly bigger than Eva's lips are, she's just drawing them outside the line of her own lips. Finally, there is a wig, which is of course perfect for the Anna makeup we are doing today. And Eva is quickly braiding them, because we all know Anna with the braids, of course. I've heard that she doesn't have them in the second movie, but well, we are still used to her with her braids. And then finally it is time for a bit of body painting, because we don't have a Princess Anna costume. Eva decided to paint a bit of that costume on her skin. So the costume is purplish, pinkish, a bit of blue in there, some hearts, some details. And Eva's just painting a small bit of this because she can hide the rest using the wig and her own clothes. And with that, our Princess Anne face painting tutorial for today is done. So I don't know if you are actually going to see the Frozen 2 movie in the cinemas. If you are, have loads of fun, enjoy the movie. And for this makeup of today, it is finished. Well, we hope you enjoyed the video as well we created for you. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos. We will be back tomorrow with a new quick and easy face painting design by Simone.